This week we have selected our holiday destination and our intended audience. We've also started to experiment with our text structures, so our headline, our slogan, our logo, etc. And now today we are going to be continuing with our learning intention of creating a multimodal advertisement to persuade a viewer to view a holiday destination, but we're now experimenting with language features for cohesion and a persuasive effect. Alright, so on lesson 18, if you open it up, you're going to see a table. Now this table has all of the language features that you will consider putting on your ad. Now if it's a little bit too overwhelming, you don't have to have all of them, but still try to have quite a few. So I'm going to go through my one. Remember, my ad is on Tangalooma. That's my holiday destination. So I thought about how it's outdoors, how it has a lot of different activities, and a lot of it is to do with nature and wildlife. So I've considered that before I've planned out my language features. So rhetorical question, remember, rhetorical question is a question that you ask that doesn't necessarily have an answer or doesn't have the need for the person to answer, just to think about instead. So mine was, can you get any closer to nature? A metaphor is a comparison. You can also do visual metaphors, so where something means something else. And my one that I've decided to use is a picture of adventure sports on a plate with the headline stating, feed your inner adventurer and some dolphins too. A simile is when you use like or as to compare two things, so swim like a dolphin. Personification, the paddleboard will smile with you as you explore the island's crystal waters. So paddleboards, I know that paddleboards don't have feelings or emotions, but I'm saying it's smiling, so I'm giving an object a human characteristic. So that's what personification is. Alliteration, that's where you use the same sounds at the start of a word. So salty, sandy, and superbly stunning is my example there. Modality, that's how certain you are about something. So if you do high modality, that means that you are certain that people should be coming to this holiday destination. Low modality is you're not really sure. We want to use high modality, so I said you must come and experience what this island has to offer. Repetition, that's where you repeat the same things to sort of choose those key words that you want to have in your ad, those key messages that people are going to remember. So I've been talking about an adventure package available. Call now about the adventure package, just so that they're aware that there is an adventure package. Cohesive devices, replacement words. So instead of using great or good, what words could we use instead of saying it again? Okay, repeating key words. So that's the same as what it was above. Adventure package, dolphin, Tangalooma, just to get a feel for what the ad is. All right, we're going over the page. On the next page, we also have some noun groups and some verb and adverb groups. So what I would like you to consider is when you do your feature text, making sure that you have a little bit of and not a lengthy paragraph, but just a little paragraph there that gives some more information so that they can really consider coming to this place. So I've selected my point of view, which is you should travel to the glorious Tangalooma Resort because it is the most thrilling experience that nature can provide, almost like a natural theme park. In the picturesque landscape of Moreton Bay, your heart will be racing quickly as you are sand tobogganing, parasailing, and riding intensely on quad bikes. So think about, where did I use noun groups, where did I use verb groups and adverbs? Alright, so what you're now going to do is go through and add language features for your ad. Remember who the intended audience is and what activities you have at your holiday destination. After you've finished doing that, you can add them to the advertisement that you began to plan yesterday. So you already have that layout of your text structures. Now you can add the language features on.